So we're doing question 1.4. So we asked to solve this equation here, and we see that we have a square root. So what we'll do is we need to square both sides of the equation to remove the square root. So you make a bracket, and then you square both sides. So it's important that you make a bracket and then square. Don't square them individually. So on the left hand side, the square root is going to disappear. So all we'll have left is 2 bracket 1 minus x is equal to x minus 1 squared. Now we simplify and then we get the answer. Okay, so we're going to multiply 2 times 1. That's going to be 2. 2 times x is going to be this equal to, and this one here is going to give us x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now we're going to bring them all to one side of the equation. So we'll take these over to the other side. The 2 and the x, we'll take them to that side of the equation. Okay, so let's do it here. We have x squared, that's that one, minus 2x, of course. And then this 2x here is going to go to the other side, so it's going to be plus 2x. Then we have plus 1, this 1 here, and then this is going to be minus 2. So it changes the sign, is equal to 0. So then this 2 are going to cancel. And then we're going to have x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you notice that this is difference of 2 squares, so we're going to factorize it. We're going to have x plus 1 bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this means that x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1, or x is equal to a positive 1. Now, before you can close this, what you want to do is check, especially since we have a square root, you want to check that both solutions are correct. So you put this into the equation. So we're going to put this into the original equation. Let's put negative 1. So you would have the square root of 2 times 1 minus negative 1, close bracket, is equal to negative 1 minus 1. This here gives us 2 and the square root of 2, which is equal to negative 2. And then we have the square root of 4, which is not equal to 2. So that's not going to work. So that means that negative 1 cannot be a solution. Let's try the 1. So we again will have the square root of 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. We have the square root of 0 being equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. So 1, positive 1 will be a solution. Therefore, x is not equal to negative 1, and only x is equal to 1 is a solution for the equation. Even though we had gotten 2 solutions, x is equal to negative 1 or 1, when we checked it, we see that only the x is equal to 1 will be a correct solution. Okay.